Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with clean, hydrated skin, use a lightweight moisturizer, and give it 1 to 2 minutes to settle. Take a pea-sized amount of Face's Canada Strobe Cream Silver and dot it across forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Warm the product between your fingertips for 5 to 10 seconds so it melts. Press it into the high points, cheekbones, brow bone, Cupid's bow, using tapping motions. This ensures reflective pigments sit evenly and prevents streaks when you layer foundation. Once the initial layer sits evenly, build intensity in thin layers. Use half-P increments to avoid over-shimmering. Use a damp beauty sponge and buff in small circular strokes to diffuse edges. This creates a skin-like glow without patchiness. If you want overall radiance, mix 10 to 20% strobe cream into your foundation on the back of your hand and apply. Make sure to test on your jawline for natural transition. For targeted highlight, reconcentrate product on cheekbones and bridge of nose. Finish by setting only where you need oil control. Lightly dust translucent powder on the T-zone while leaving highlighted areas luminous. Use a fingertip or a small tapered brush for precise touch-ups around inner eye and Cupid's bow. If you see patchiness, press a damp sponge over the area with a little stippling action to redistribute product, and blot any excess with paper. This restores a seamless finish. For persistent fallout, work in thinner layers and always warm the cream first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.